Hello there. Recently, I got an opportunity to interview somebody, and that person is here with us today. Please welcome from his YouTube channel, Daily Dereck, Dereck, otherwise known as you. Yes, me. Hi, Dereck. Thank you for being here. Yeah, thank you for having me. I love what you've done with the set here. Yeah, it's got all this open space for the camera and stuff. So tell me, how are you doing on that YouTube channel of yours? It's going pretty well. Yeah, I've been making a couple recurring shows. Yeah, tell me about those. Well, the first one I started was Weekly Banter, and the original idea was a podcast kind of show, but that was a little long-winded for my first YouTube show, I think, and so Weekly Banter kind of turned into a catch-up show, kind of catch people up with what I'm doing and stuff. The second one I started was Drawings from the Donut Door, and that one didn't get its following episode until just recently, and that one's like a speed drawing kind of thing, but like kind of obscure, peculiar subject stuff. And the third one is the Monday Music Mess Around, where I just kind of fiddle on my synthesizer and make covers or original songs. Not really songs, just like little tunes or little ditties. Right. Now, you had a really strong run of those right out of the gate, but you haven't done any in a little while. What happened there? Are we gonna get any more of those soon? Yeah. I definitely want to. The roadblock I came to was that the microphone that I was using messed up, so I had to get this mic that we're both using. And so yeah, I gotta find out if the microphone will pick up the sound from the sound bar and the amplifier, like evenly with the right clarity, Right. Have you been watching the new season of Orange is the New Black by any chance? Yeah, I have. Why? Oh, well, you've said before that you get distracted with Netflix shows, and I was just wondering that maybe that's a possible reason that I've been watching Orange is the New Black. You're watching it too. You know what? This is starting to feel like some kind of trap or something weird. I don't know. I gotta do a thing. I got this thing I gotta do. So I'll see you later, okay? So you're just gonna go then? Okay. You were supposed to solve the Rubik's Cube. You can do it! I guess I'll have to do it myself. So Dereck was supposed to do this on here, and I was going to time him, but he left like a jerk, so whatever. I have my Rubik's Cube pre-mixed, as you can see, but in case you don't trust me, I'm going to close my eyes and mix it up a little bit, just kind of throw out the, just do this for a little while. Okay, good, great, yes. Good. Okay, and then I'll just do this so you can trust me. This is my phone's timer set to 00000, and here we go. Ready and start. Oh. They're not on the top row. That's very frustrating because you gotta get one out to get out the other guys. Oh, no, this is bad. Oh, I messed up. Big time. I mean, not big time, but I messed up in time because now that one little flub will make a bad time for everybody. Time 2 minutes and a second, 0.8. Yay! Here it is. All the sides. I got into the Rubik's Cube a long time ago. I got it from my dad, and he learned it, and then he taught me like the moves, because there's certain moves, and this one's not the smoothest. It's pretty smooth, but it's smoother than this one. It was a birthday gift for my dad. It is a monochromatic Rubik's Cube, so it has white, black, reflective silver, if you can see the shininess, and then like 3 shades of gray in the middle, which make it very difficult to differentiate between those 3. The shades of gray are like 25, 50, 75, so yeah, it's really, it's not new, but it's still kind of, you know, a little rough, not quite broken in. But yeah, so that is me solving the Rubik's Cube. This was a weird video, and I guess we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment about Rubik's Cubes or double personalities. Follow both Derecks on Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat at DastardlyDereck, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updated when I post new videos. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye. Uh-huh.